Let's sing together. Bana a U Prah, badeng bana a U Prah, men sim jonga a U Prah. We are singing in Nepal. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye. God bless you all. Gabriel. My name is Gabriel. Yeah, my name is Gabriel. Yeah. This is Kongdeng Bana until Nepal, guys. Just know U Prah is famous till Nepal.
We want to take a picture with you.
Yes, sure.
Come.
Yes, that's me. Hello. So I met Khasi people here in Nepal, guys. And because of this only they recognize.
Yeah.
So your name is?
I'm brother Rakesh.
Okay.
I am Sister Bella.
Okay.
I'm Sister Bontila. I'm
Okay.
Lucia Stan.
Okay. So you all are residing in Nepal?
We are.
We are. They just came to visit.
Okay. So I met them here in Swayambhunath and wow, Khasi people, because of this, you are known now.
Yeah, we know because of that.
Yeah. So you know me also because of the videos, right?
No, because of your video.
That song, U Prah Song.
Because of the
Yeah. Yes, you want to sing U Prah?
How long you were there?
Yeah.
You sing?
I've been there for 1 month. Yeah.
Then I have seen when you visit this Shillong Krem and all.
Yeah, I went there also. I visited a lot of places. I had very good time in Shillong.
Where are you from?
I'm from Africa, South Sudan.
South
But I'm
Sudan.
staying in India.
Oh, where in India?
Yeah, in India, South India, Andhra Pradesh.
Okay.
Yeah. I have Khasi friends who studied with me in the university.
Okay.
In Andhra Pradesh only. That's why I went to their place.
Visakhapatnam or?
Yes, Vizag. Yes.
So nice.
Yeah, so nice to meet you. So we'll sing again Kongdeng Bana. Let's sing together. Bana a U Prah, badeng bana a U Prah, men sim jonga a U Prah. We are singing in Nepal. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye. God bless you all. Gabriel. My name is Gabriel. Yeah, my name is Gabriel. Yeah. This is Kongdeng Bana until Nepal, guys. Just know U Prah is famous till Nepal.
We want to take a picture with you.
Yes, sure.
Come.
Hold. Record this one. Yes, I bought a lot of the full dress I have. Kobleshibon, Khasi, Meghalaya, Naiyapi. Bye. Okay, enjoy. Okay, bye, father. Okay. Wow, meeting the Khasi family here, guys. So this is amazing. Wow. I didn't expect. Yes, I'm from Africa, South Sudan.